Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video. Here we are going to teach you how to make some unique and lovely amazing crafts. Grab your hair and let's see what are we gonna do here. Let's see. Here again what are we gonna do? You just have to paste the stars on a bottle like this and then paste the sheets around in this manner. Frame the windows like this and your helicopter is ready. Now here you have to get the stripes and then convert it into a ball like fluffy structure. Here you have to get the sponge like sheet and now attach it in this form. What are we gonna do out of it next? Keep it on the top and then get the body attached. This is it, like a spring, right? Here, get the sheets in this manner, arrange the stripes in a ball-like structure again, push it further and then with the help of your fingers, you need to make the zigzag patterns. Then you have to make the structure of a frog and then paste it on the top of it, the face. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here what are we gonna do? You just have to get an envelope like structure, get them made into this form. Further you need to attach it like this, get them made in this manner. This is gonna look pretty. Now here you just have to get the tape, get them beautifully secured. Further you need to paste it into a cylindrical roll like this, convert it into a packet. Further make a pyramid like shape and then paste the eyes and then the mouth. This is gonna look pretty, right? Next, you just have to get an egg shell. Further, get the cuts in the shells like this. Give it a curvy cut in this manner and now you have to paint it. Further, keep these flowers ready in this way and now you just have to make it in this manner. Here, you have to make a ladybug as well. Make it in this form and get them pretty secured in this manner. Let's see what are we gonna do next here. Get a clay. You just have to get the spirals again. Cut it halfway in between. Now here you have to get the sole like this and paste it in between and your beautiful slippers are ready. Next here get a stripe of sheet. You have to just make the dots around and get a hole in between. With the help of this rubber band you need to keep it in between the stick and your catapult is ready. It is ready to play. Further here get this sheet, these types of sheets. What are we gonna do? You just have to fold them together, gently pressing it with the help of your fingers. From the middle you need to get a shape like this and now attach it in this manner. Further let's see what are we gonna do. You have to just take it from the top and get them attached in this form. Make a skirt out of it and this is gonna look absolutely pretty, right? You have to make a beautiful and lovely frock in this manner and this is gonna look damn amazing. Cute, right? Now here again get a sheet. You just have to fold it now and get them secured in this manner beautifully. Now here get the lines in this way and the folds in this manner. Get them attached in this way. Make a smiley face as well and get them attached in this form. This is gonna look again beautiful and amazing. Now here you have to make a cup like this, the handle. Now here you have to get the soles and then paste it on the top of it to get your beautiful slippers ready. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.